Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to reset FaceTime app on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So, let's begin, and if you have any problems with your FaceTime app, maybe there are some bugs or some call problems or other things that can bother you, so the easiest way to fix that problems is to reset the app. So, now let me show you how you can easily do that. First, you can hop out any app that is opened right now and go into settings. Then on settings you have to scroll down until you find FaceTime right there. And here you can easily find that FaceTime feature and that switcher next to FaceTime. All you have to do now is toggle off the FaceTime, this disable FaceTime at your device, then just wait for maybe 5 seconds and just hit that switcher again to toggle this feature on. After that, FaceTime will be registered at your device again, and that may help you to solve all the problems with that app. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my FaceTime and iPhone tutorials playlist, so where you will find a lot of useful videos. Just check the links in description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.